Well, hello there, old friend. Didn't think I'd miss you. So, by now you've probably seen almost hundreds of fangirls and fanboys make their iPhone 12 Pro Max review and unboxings, especially they're flooded all over the internet. So why not just add on to the stacking pile of shit heap that is my own video. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue unboxing. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a look at the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you know, I wasn't gonna switch back, but truth be told, my Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I currently rock is not really dipping in value, and as a result, I decided to do what was best for not only the value of a phone for next year, but also what made the most sense. Also, I'm taking it out of the case. This will actually be my last video with the Note 10 Plus, and I really enjoyed this phone. I am trading it in. I really enjoyed it. It was a great phone. It was a great experience with Android, but I truly did miss my iPhone, and honestly, even though I'll enjoy the convenience of an iOS device, and even though I think iOS is more suited for me, make no mistake about it, Android's the real deal. So all you kids in high school and college, oh, you broke alert, y'all can't do half of what this thing can do. So sayonara to an old friend. But we say hello to another old friend. So let's take a look at the unboxing, and on the table, I have a few accessories that we're gonna take right away. The Evo Clear Tech 21 case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and also Invisible Shield Glass Plus screen protector. I won't install them in this video, I'll do it later, but I just wanted to show it to you guys in case you're deciding to buy. All right, all that talking out of the way, let's crack this bad boy open. So here we go, we're gonna take a look at this, we're gonna open this up, and just for comparisons, I am going to compare the display and also just kind of compare the aesthetics of this to the Note 10 Plus. And for reference, my beautiful girlfriend who is standing behind you guys, she has allowed me to also use her iPhone XS Max, which was the first Max phone that they made. I will also compare that. Ignore the glitter, but all that out of the way before we talk about that, let's get to this. So this is the big bad boy. So the packaging is a lot slimmer than most of these iPhone boxes that I've used throughout my time. Now, Apple has made the claim that they are trying to be more eco-friendly, and you guys know I'm so critical on that on my show Technoid. But the point is, Apple bragged about the environment, trying to make this thing more sleek and stuff, and also just cutting down waste, which I think is bullshit, but we all know how I feel on that, but that's for another time. But here comes my favorite part with all the Apple unboxings, this sound. Oh, that sound is so satisfying. I felt bad. I wanted, you know, for the fact, guys, I wanted my girlfriend to do this, but she didn't. What happened? Yeah, you didn't want to be in the video.
You didn't ask me yet.
I did. Here, you want to do it again? I'll put it in the back. Oh, here, you want to unbox it again? Here, feel it. There. All right, so this is the box. This is the Pacific Blue version. I don't know what it is with people or tech YouTubers in gold. I don't know, what is it with people in gold? They have a gold fetish? I don't know. That's their thing, but I'm a guy, so I want blue. Now the boxing looks really nice. I'm gonna cover up the technology, but inside the box, again, I've talked about it, you don't get a power adapter. They took away this crappy one. They've taken away pretty much dongles. What's next? Cable? God, please don't let that be true. But regardless of that, the iPhone does ship with a USB-C to Lightning, but let's take a look at this bad boy. Slides right out. Ooh, yeah, you can't. I wish you could see my girlfriend's reaction, because this thing, whoa, man, look at that. Whoa. Okay, before I keep going, let's take a look at what's in the box. Of course, like I said, there is no charging brick. You've got your paperwork. You just file it. You've even got a SIM tool, so that was nice of Apple. You get one Apple sticker. They even took one Apple sticker out of the box. But you do get your USB-C to Lightning cable, which is nice, but I'm gonna leave that in. The main star of the show is this bad boy right here. Oh, that sound. No, fun fact, actually, before, I forgot to mention, there are the buttons on here. They have the power button, the mute, and the charge. And boom, iPhone 12 Pro Max, wow. That is incredible. All right, so aesthetically, just basing it off of the phone, this is a huge iPhone, even in comparison to something like the Pro Max, which is the iPhone XS Max. So as you can see, in comparison to the Note 10 Plus, you can see the screen size is almost about the same as the Pro, but this is like 6.7 inches, this is 6.5. So there's gonna be a little bit of a difference. I will compare them when we turn this bad boy on, but you can kind of take a look at this and see kind of the difference in scale. So if we take a look here, I don't know if you could see this, but I'm gonna put this up here. If we measure out the Note 10 Plus and the iPhone XS, or the 12 Pro Max, I don't know why I'm saying that, you could see the Note 10 Plus is a smudge bigger, but they're roughly about the same size. They both have the same screen. I'm really digging this Pacific Blue. This blue, the matte finish, and it's a gloss, it's a matte. I really like it. You've got 3 cameras on the back plus your LiDAR sensor. I am a huge fan of Apple's stainless steel band, so I am so glad that I'm getting that back on a phone. Of course, my fingerprints are on them already. The phone is actually pretty big, but it actually fits my hand perfectly. I mean, I do have big hands. I can reach the device in all its corners. This is really nice. Now, on here you see the separate antennas for 5G millimeter wave. I'm talking more and more. I don't want to do that, so let's just turn this thing on, and I'll put it in the case after. Let's turn this bad boy on. See, there we go. Apple logo starting up. Now, I wanted to take this out of the case to compare it, but I can't really take it out. But taking a look, once the device turns on, we'll see just how slim the bezels are, and then we'll take a look. So that's your best look right there. So I don't know if you really could see, but if you guys take a quick look, you can see the bezels are a little bit slimmer than the XS Max, but not by much, but they are a major improvement. I like the square design. I don't know about you, Hal, but I love that square. It's giving me iPhone 5 throwback feels. The display is nice and big. It's got a nice panel. There's actually a SIM card in here already from Verizon, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, so now real quick, I'm just gonna put it in the case because, you know, I want to protect that investment. This is a Tech 21 case. Just want to show you, crystal clear. You can see that. I don't know. Man, this video is so terrible. I swear to God, I'm gonna need to like chop this thing up to like 50. So this is also kind of like a first impressions because I don't know exactly how this is gonna look, but I'm gonna put this in the case. It actually feels really tight on actually. This is actually one of the tighter Tech 21 cases that I've actually used. I don't even know why it's so tight. So this is what it looks like in the case, but the iPhone itself actually looks really good. I gotta say, there's a lot of screen there. When you compare it to the XS Max, I don't know how, between you, which one do you think looks better?
Well, I don't know, I got SpongeBob background.
Well, no duh, but based on the bezel, based on the pixels and whatever crap, which one would you say is more?
I don't know. I guess I'd have to see like the same image on.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell because this is a setup screen. I got to take that SIM out because I think Verizon's going to try to use that. But real quick, I'm going to pull up the Note. I'm going to pull up a screen here on the Note 10 Plus. We can give a good comparison just so you guys can see. I'm going to pull up a quick wallpaper here. And we'll see. So here's a preloaded wallpaper. Here's the Note 10 Plus, just to give you an idea. And you can definitely see the big difference. There's a punch hole that has a notch, but the notch has a lot of technology in it. So a lot of people are willing to take that over, you know, the screen. But yeah, I am actually really, I'm really kind of shocked. This thing actually is a lot better than I anticipated. And one cool thing I like about it now is with iPhones I used to miss. I don't know if you could still do it, maybe with this case, but if you take it out the case, you could probably stand your phone like this and watch a movie. But anyway, so yeah, that was really the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. I will give a more hands down review. I will do a full review with this. I will then show you the iOS update. I'll explain. But that's really all I just wanted to do, kind of get a first impressions. I have to kind of set it up, transfer stuff. But that's really it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. Help circulate my videos as well. That is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you all for watching. Take care, everyone, and peace!